Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I am good. Thank you. How are you?
Good, yeah, I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. And
Yes,
where
nice
are
to
you
meet
from?
you.
You too. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Okay,
Yes. What's
nice.
your name?
Olivia.
Sorry?
Olivia.
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 Okay. Okay, nice name.
Thank you. And do you study or do you work or
I am student.
you're a student? Okay.
Yes, I am
And
studying in 12th class.
12.
12th grade. Yeah.
Okay. And what do you enjoy most? What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and Urdu.
Okay, that's
Yes.
cool. And what would you like to do for a career? Do you know?
Sorry?
What would you like to do as your job?
In future?
Yeah.
Actually, I want to an Islamic scholar.
Okay.
Yes.
Now that's exciting.
Yeah. So, what's your profession?
So I studied environmental science at university.
Oh, you're a student.
I finished, but not
Okay,
any.
okay.
So I finished 2 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But I teach English to Chinese children,
Uh-huh.
and then I teach on Cambly.
Mm.
And also I work in customer service.
Wow.
But hopefully I will start a job with my studies soon. So
Mm-hmm. Very nice. You're so intelligent.
yeah. Yeah. So what do you get up to at the weekends? What do you enjoy doing?
Uh, I actually, uh, I in these days, I my all focus on my English language.
Okay.
Yes, I wrote some English sentences and I reading.
Hmm.
Yes,
Oh,
I read some books.
yeah. That's
Yes.
good. And how long have you been on Cambly for?
Uh, I I joined the Cambly 2 weeks ago. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, nice. And
I
are you
knew.
enjoying? Yeah, me too.
Oh,
Yeah. Are you enjoying it?
yes.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Good. And do you often speak to different teachers or do you like to speak to the same one sometimes?
Different teachers. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
And do you have any siblings?
Yes. I have three siblings, including me, four.
Okay,
Yes, I have my two older brother
yeah.
and one older sister and me.
Okay, so you are the youngest?
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, your
Yeah,
siblings. What
I
about
have
you?
two sisters. Two sisters.
And brother?
No, no brothers.
You three?
Three, yeah, three
Okay,
altogether.
okay. Oh,
Yeah,
very nice.
yeah. What do they do? Are they working or are they studying too?
My brother and sisters?
Yeah.
Yes, my one brother is software engineer.
Okay.
Yes. So next bro, he's a cricketer.
Okay.
Yes, and
Cool.
one my older sister is married. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. My boyfriend plays cricket as well for his living.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Maybe they know each other.
Mm-hmm.
Do
You
you
like,
like
do you like sports? Any sports?
not so much. I like watching cricket, but I don't play it.
Oh, you watch cricket?
Yeah.
You like?
It's okay.
Nice.
Um, and I sometimes horse ride.
Mm-hmm.
And I used to dance a lot as well.
Dance.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
nice.
yeah. How about you? What do you do any sports?
No, I don't like sports.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's fine. What about cooking or reading?
Yes, I cook. I like cooking.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing to make?
Sorry?
What's your favorite thing to cook? Or what's your
Oh,
favorite meal?
biryani. You know?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
That's nice.
biryani, chicken.
Yeah. Mm,
Yeah.
nice.
So your favorite dish?
Oh, that's difficult. I like pizza.
Oh, pizza.
Yeah,
Wow.
and anything chicken really.
Mm-hmm. Do you like cooking?
Yeah, yeah, and I
Mm-hmm.
like baking, so like
Big.
making cakes and things.
Oh, cake.
Yeah,
Oh, I like cake. Oh,
yeah, it's
yes.
good. Is there a traditional cake where you live or in your country? Is there a
Yes.
traditional? What is it like?
Sorry?
What is the traditional cake like
I
in
don't
India?
understand.
So
Can you
in India,
can you write here?
yeah. So
Yes, yes.
do you have a traditional cake or dessert in India?
One moment.
That's okay. Is it the word traditional?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
One moment.
That's okay.
Oh,
I might be able to. I don't know if that helps. That translation. No.
I don't understand.
Okay, that's fine. It's okay. What do most people eat in India as a sweet thing
Okay,
after
sweet,
dinner?
sweet. Yeah, you know gulab jamun?
No.
No.
What
Hmm,
is it made from?
cake, cake.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it nice then?
Cake and sweets.
Okay.
Burfi. You don't know.
No.
Okay.
Never mind.
One more. Okay, okay.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, and so what can you go to school at the moment because of COVID or not?
Yes, here is the coronavirus right now.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
and
can you go to school?
yeah. No, no, no. Schools, college, and universities are all closed right now.
Mm.
Yes, and
So do you,
there is the coronavirus right now.
yeah,
Hmm.
everywhere.
Oh, you are
Yeah.
staying in at home?
Yes, but we are slowly allowed to do more things
Oh,
um, because the vaccinations are going well.
yes, yes.
So slowly things are opening again. So
Mm-hmm.
and so do you have to do your class work at home from the computer?
Yes, yes. Online classes.
Yeah. So is it
Yeah,
all day? All
yeah.
day?
Yes.
How long? How long do you have to be on there for?
Sorry.
How long is your school day online?
1 week, I think.
Okay.
Yes. So, currently, do you live with your family?
With my boyfriend.
Okay, boyfriend.
Yeah. Do you live with your family?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. And what will is it the evening now?
Yeah, night 9 p.m.
Okay. 9
Yes,
p.m. or 11 p.m.?
11 p.m.
Oh, so
11.
are you
Yes,
going to sleep
it's
soon?
night here.
Okay.
Yes,
Well, it was nice to meet you,
nice to meet you too.
and I hope you have a good night.
Yeah,
Thank
bye.
you. Bye.